How to sign in to your existing FBS Trading account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for a way to access your FBS Trading account, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump in. First things first, launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptops or even your smartphone. And in the URL box, type in fbs.com and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official homepage for FBS. From here, go to the upper right corner and click on the login button. To log into your existing FBS account, you need your email address and password correct. But if you've previously signed up with Facebook, Google, or Apple option, you can select the same here so that you can log in quicker. Since I created an account with email and password, first go ahead and get to the email tab and enter your correct email address and then the password in the next field. If you don't remember the password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Your Password link and follow through the reset process. If you remember your password, write it down correctly without any worry and then click on Login. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log back into your dashboard of FBS account. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.